This is part 39 of aptitude test questions with their solutions on simplification. Aptitude test questions will appear in any type of examination, either vacancy examination or educational examination. So students and graduates who are searching for a job should have to know how to solve aptitude test questions. If they know how to solve out these questions, that means aptitude test questions, you will succeed in your examination. So subscribe this channel and you'll get weekly aptitude test questions with their solutions. Now let's go to the questions. Question number 133. If x is equal to 1 minus q and y is equal to 2q plus 1, then for what value of q x is equal to y? A minus 1, b 0, c 2, d 3. Here you are given the equation x equal to 1 minus q and y is equal to 2q plus 1. Then what is the value of q that equates x and y? Just to get the answer for this question, simply equate x with y. X is equal to y. Then substitute the value of x and y in place of x and y. That means since 1 minus q is x, you can write 1 minus q in place of x. And again, 2q plus 1 is equal to y. You can write 2q plus 1 in place of y. So you have 1 minus q is equal to 2q plus 1. Now collect like terms. That means shift 2q from the right side to the left side, and it becomes minus q. And again, shift 1 from the right side to the left side. So you have minus q minus 2q is equal to 1 minus 1. And add again like terms. Minus q minus 2q means minus 3q. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So you have minus 3q is equal to 0. Then divide both sides by minus 3. You get q is equal to minus 3 or 0 over minus 3. Then q means 0 over minus 3 and 0 over minus 3 is 0. So q is equal to 0. So your answer for this question is choice B. Question number 134. Find x if x over 5 minus x over 6 is equal to 4. A minus 120, B minus 100, C 100, D 120. Now you are given this equation, and from the given equation you are required to find out the value of x. So we have x over 5 minus x over 6 is equal to 4. Now you can rewrite this one or express this one in such a way as find a common divisor for the numbers 5 and 6. That means the common divisor is 30. Then 30 can be divided by 5 and it is 6. 6 times by x is 6x, and minus 30 can be divided by 5 and 5 times by x is 5x. So you can have 6x minus 5x over 30 is equal to 4. But 6x minus 5x means 1x or simply x. So you can have x over 30 which is equal to 4. Now crisscross and you get the value for x which is equal to 30 times by 4. And 30 times by 4 is 120. So choice D is the answer for this question. Question number 135. You are given this information, and from the given information you are required to find out the value for ABC over DEF. That means if A over B is equal to 1 over 3 and B over C is equal to 2, C over D is equal to 1 over 2, D over E is equal to 3, and E over F is equal to 1 over 4. Then what is the value of ABC the whole over DEF? Of course, this question seems somewhat difficult, and it takes me longer time just to perform and to get the correct answer for this question. Just try it by your own and try to get the correct answer for this question. Now, let me show you the solution, how to get the answer for this question. You are given here the information, and from the given information, you are required to find out this value. But what I found is that just express all the variables except C in terms of C. That means express A in terms of C, express B in terms of C, and D in terms of C, E in terms of C, and F in terms of C. For that matter, you are given, for example, B over C, which is equal to 2, and from this crisscrossing you get B is equal to 2C. But again, you are given A over B is equal to 1 over 3, and by crisscrossing you get 3A is equal to B, and A means B over 3. But you get here B is equal to 2C, and in terms of here B, you can express or you can substitute 2C, and A is equal to 2C over 3. That means now you get the value of B in terms of C, and again the value of A in terms of D. What remains is D, E, and F. But again, you are given C over D is equal to 1 over 2. From this, you can have D, and you can express D in terms of C, and D is equal to 2C. Crisscross it, you get D is equal to 2C. Now, again, you are given D over E is equal to 3, and from this, crisscrossing, and you get the value of E. The value of E is equal to D over 3. By crisscrossing, for example, you get 3E is equal to D. From that, express E in terms of D. E means D over 3. But D means again 2C. 2C. So, in terms of D, you can replace it by 2C, and E means 2C over 3. Now get D and C, I mean D and E in terms of C. What remains is F. E over F is given us 1 over 4. Crisscrossing it, you get 4E is equal to F. So 4E is equal to F, or F is equal to 4E. And F means, in terms of E, again, you can substitute, since from the previous one, we get E is equal to 2C over 3. From that, substitutes the value of this one, that means 2C over 3 in terms of E here. So you get 4 times by 2C over 3. And F is equal to 4 times by 2C over 3, and from that you get F means 8C over 3. Now we have expressed all the variables A, B, D, E, F in terms of C. Now we have this one, A, B, C over D, E, F. Now we have the value of A in terms of C. A means 2C over 3, and B means 2C, and D means 2C, E means 2C over 3, and F means 8C over 3. Now substitute these values in place of A, B, C over D, F on this equation. So you get 2C over 3 times by 2C times by C, the whole over 2C times by 2C over 3 times by 8C over 3. But here 2C over 3 on the numerator and 2C over 3 on the denominator is cancelled out. And we have 2C on the numerator and 2C on the denominator, it is cancelled out. And again, C will be cancelled out by C here. So what remains from the numerator is only 1. And 1 over, from the denominator, you get 8 over 3. So you have 1 over 8 over 3. And by the division rule, I hope, 1 over 8 over 3 means 3 over 8. So your answer for this question is choice C. And this is for all today. And subscribe this channel to get additional aptitude test videos like this weekly.